Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to start lesson 11, Internet. Student, before starting the chapter, you know student, net? Have you seen the mosquito net? How the mosquito net formed? It made by the million number of thread. It joined together and form a net. Similarly, net is a computer network. It is a network that connects millions of computers through cable, phone, lines or cable modem. It is a huge source of information on endless topics contributed by the people around the world. It shares its information with anybody living anywhere in the world. It is perhaps the most outstanding innovation in the field of communication. In this history of mankind, Internet is a public, cooperative and independent facility accessible to millions of people all around the world. You know, in the old time, you know how the people send the message from one place to another place? People send the letter. Okay, by letter they send the message. Or you see, in the old time, in the Vedic time, the people send the message by the birds. Have you seen or not? But see, nowadays, after the discovery of Internet, all the world become a very small globe. If you want to talk to any person anywhere, you easily able to talk. Okay. So what is the use of Internet? So student, Internet is a very useful for us. Some of the use are given here. So student, see, first one is the communication. The first priority is the communication. Student, with the advent of Internet, our earth has reduced to a global village. If you want to talk to any person in anywhere, you easily talk by to that person. Okay. Now we can communicate with people using facility of email, through which we can chat for hours with our dear one at a very low cost. You know student, nowadays what is the cost of the net? In the 600-700 rupees, 3 month recharge, and per day you get the 1.5 GB or 2 GB per day net. Okay. So with the help of such internet, we easily able to talk by video calling, by chatting. Okay. So students, these are the use for the communication. Information. If you want to search any information about any topic, we easily type the matter on the Google and we easily get the information. Yes or no? So this is perhaps the most important advantage of the internet. There is a huge amount of information available on internet. You will find information on almost every subject like government laws and order, trade, fairs, conference, market information, okay, invention, innovation, etc. Means if you don't know anything about any field, you search on internet. The list of endless students and children gather information through net surfing. Today, teachers have also started giving assignment that require research on internet. You know, student school also provide the assignment. If you don't know any word, if you don't know the meaning of any word, you type the word, okay, you get about 10 to 20 meanings, okay, to any topic. So, it's very important for the information. Next one, entertainment. Nowadays, if the people free, then they start to watch movie, serial. Yes or no? How? By the internet. So student, entertainment also is the another reason why many people prefer surfing on the net. While surfing the net web, where numerous things that can be found, such as music, songs, movies, hobbies, news, mainly other information. Yes? You see, if you want to watch any movie, then many apps, you download it, and after that, by online, you able to see any movie, old movie, new movie, yes or no? Or if you want to listen any song, then easily you type the song name and the song start. Next one is the services. You can available many services such as online banking, job seeking, purchasing tickets, hotel reservation, paying your electricity bill. You know, student, nowadays we use the Phone Pay, Google Pay. Yes, with the help of Phone Pay or Google Pay or Bhim UPI, we easily transfer the money from account to the another account. How? Online. Okay, if you want to the reservation of any tickets, so no, nowadays we easily use the internet. With the help of internet, we easily book the ticket. Yes. So in the many services, like suppose that if you want to book any hotel, any railway ticket, aeroplane ticket, okay, or if you want to pay the electricity bill, or if you want to recharge your DTS service, it also available on the internet, online service. Okay, student, e-commerce, any kind of commercial business, any kind of shopping, selling, purchasing, etc. can easily available through internet. You know, student, online marketing, Flipkart, Amazon, Meesho, different type of app. With the help of such app, we easily purchase the things. Okay, student. So these are some uses of internet. If the question asks, write the uses of internet, then you write the topic like the uses of internet communication, information, entertainment, services and e-commerce. Okay, student, these are the some point about the uses. Some services available on internet. So student, electronic mail, chat, news group, video conferencing, many type of services available on the internet. So what is electronic mail? Student, you know, this is popularly known as email. You know email? If you fill any form, then you got one email. Okay. Email is the most popular service on the internet. Today, email has become a very important means of communication for people, both personal and for business. Because then, one particular person have one particular email, and it depends on your wish what type of email you want. Okay, and what is the code? It depends on your wish. That's why the email is very safe comparison than other WhatsApp and Facebook. Email is economical, fast and the most reliable method of sending and receiving message. Suppose that if you want to send message from one person to another person, if you use the WhatsApp or you use the Facebook, then it easily transfer to the another person. Means other person also able to see the things what are present in your WhatsApp group. But if you want to send message to a particular person, the email is the very comfortable. Means you easily send the message. Okay, and the particular person only got the such type of message. Okay. Chatting is online communication with people all over the world. Here you type your message and click on send. Your message received by a connected user within second. You understand? With the help of chatting, WhatsApp, Facebook. If you want to send any message, if you want to send any photograph, anything, we easily send to the other person. Next one is the news group. This is the online written discussion with people on a particular topic. News group also available on the internet. With the help of news group, we easily find the information about the world. File transfer protocol, also known as the FTP, allows to exchange file with other computer. Okay, students. So these are the some point about the internet. So students, if the question asks what is the internet, then internet is a net of million number of computer. Yes or no? 5 uses of internet. So the 5 uses of internet on the on communication, information, entertainment, services and e-commerce. They are the 5 uses. What is an email? Give some use of email. So email, what is the email? email is the most popular service on the internet. So student, there are some type of question asked in the exam, okay? And the full form of also something like email means electronic mail, FTP, file transfer protocol, www, World Wide Web. So student, we start the revision, okay? So the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.